Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ingredients Inside. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any important update. So friends, today I'm gonna review Banana Boat Ultra SPF50 plus sunscreen lotion. All in all, a good lotion, a good anti-tan lotion, a good sunscreen lotion. It's a nice lotion, and probably it is almost 400 grams of lotion. A nice lotion, a good lotion. You must be thinking that you should be buying it or no. Banana Boat is a good brand, a bigger brand. Banana Boat makes sunscreens a bit on the expensive side. So if you are looking forward for this sunscreen and you're thinking that you should buy this sunscreen or no, watch the video till the end. I'm gonna tell you that you should be buying this sunscreen or no. So please watch the video till the end. So friends, let's get started. Sorry, Banana Boat is a good sunscreen. Banana Boat has been in the market since a very long time, and people like Banana Boat for sunscreens. Banana Boat is a good brand when it comes to sunscreens. I think Banana Boat is the only brand that has been making sunscreens since a very long time, and they have been relying on only sunscreens in the market. So the ingredients that they have added in the sunscreen are very good, very safe. They do not add much of the chemicals in their sunscreens. It's a good sunscreen, nice sunscreen with nice ingredients. It has a decent SPF of SPF 50. All in all, a decent SPF 50 is always required and recommended for these products. And yeah, SPF 50 is decent, and when it comes to broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection is also available in the sunscreen. They have added very nice ingredients. It's a dry sunscreen. It is probably safe for children, and yeah, if you love fair skin and you don't want to get tanned, and if you are if you are fond of fair skin, then probably you should use nice sunscreen. These sunscreens really protect your fairness all the way long. Talking about the nature of the sunscreens, it's in lotion form, and it can be applied on hands, it can be applied on legs, it can be applied on neck region as well. You probably cannot apply this lotion on your face, but all in all, if you're looking for a but if you apply it, there's no problem in that. I felt the sunscreen was a bit oily, but all in all, it's a good sunscreen. Banana Boat has been in the market since a very long, and they have made a nice sunscreen. It comes in a nice lotion pack. It has a black lotion pack. All in all, a nice packing, and nice product. UVA, UVB, broad spectrum, PA triple plus protection. So all in all, it's a good sunscreen, a bit on the expensive side, but if you come across one and if you really want to buy it, it is probably recommended from my side to buy the Banana Boat Ultra sunscreen, that is SPF 50, and it is surely recommended, and you should buy it for better protection. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.